What's up everybody? Today we're going to be changing the headlamp on this 1987 Nissan 300Z. So I think the easiest way to do this is to make sure your headlights are up, lift the hood, and you can just reach right under here back into where the light is screwed into the headlamp. You'll just have to unscrew that and pull it and this whole thing should pop out. Now I just need to unhook the light. You're also going to want to keep this bit right here that will actually screw the light in. Okay, so I have the new bulb here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part that screws on, slip that on first, and then I'm going to go ahead and plug the bulb into the electrical socket. It clips in there pretty easy, and then just like pulling it out, I think I can just reach down in here, just feel a little bit. Once you get it in, you're just going to screw that little tightening cap back on, and then you should be good to go. Alright, so I got the new light in. The trick is when you are putting it into the back of the housing, so the clip goes on this top part, the flat part, you want that pointing straight up. There's some little notches that the light has to go in order to slide it in. See how this is flat right here? You want that part facing straight up. If you get too off to one side, you're not going to be able to get that light in. So that's going to be the trick, is just holding it nice and steady, keep it flat. But other than that, it went in pretty easy. I think this is a pretty easy do-it-yourself job. If you're interested in seeing me do more work on this car, just hit my logo to subscribe to my channel, and then remember to like and share the video. Thanks.